Here we've got XIAOMI Poco M4 Pro, and let me show you how to change wallpaper on this device. So first of all, just open the settings, scroll a bit lower and locate wallpaper. And here you can pick the album from which you want to pick your wallpaper from. It can be your local photos, recently used pictures, pre-installed pictures and live wallpapers. You will have access to online wallpapers only with the Wi-Fi or LTE connection. As you can see, I'm offline right now, so let me pick something from pre-installed. Here you've got all of them. Pick the one that you would like to apply, tap to preview. Then you can choose any other, and also you can see how they look on your screen. And let me pick, for example, this one, then tap on apply. And finally decide if you want this picture to cover your lock screen only, just your home screen, or both of them. I will pick both. And that's it. As you can see, it has been done. So that would be all. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.